Welcome to another episode of Live VA Job Application na kung saan mag-a-apply tayo ng freelancing job on the spot. At yung gagawin natin as usual, gagawa tayo ng cover letter, gagawa tayo ng proposal, tapos isasend din natin mismo or kayo yung magsasend ito doon sa mismong client, alright? So ako personally, hindi ko siya isasend out para magamit nyo yung mga ginawa natin for today, tapos makapag-apply na kayo ng trabaho. Malay mo, ito na yung inaantay mong work. So, ready ka na ba? Let's begin! So, yung una natin gagawin dito ay pumunta sa onlinejobs.ph tapos i-search natin ay social media. Coach pa, bakit social media manager yung apply natin? Well, for the main reason na ito yung isa sa mga in-demand skills. Tapos, aside doon, mataas din yung pay. Kahit wala ka pang experience or background sa social media marketing, pwedeng-pwede ka. Why? Kasi gumagamit ka na ng social media ngayon kapag nag-scroll ka sa Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, etc. So here, tignan natin. Merong Facebook Ad Specialist, Growth Marketing Specialist, Ad Campaign Manager. Scroll down pa tayo. Social Media Ads Manager. So yung applyan natin, yung mga kaya nyong gawin, media buyer. Ano ba yung media buyer? Ito yung nag-run ng ads on Facebook. So kung mapapansin nyo, puro ganun yung post. Palitan natin yung job po, yung title. Social Media Manager, baka iba kasi yung lumabas. And most of the time, iba yung set ng results na lumalabas dito. Ayan, at lumabas na yung results dito. So here, the first one, meron tayong nakita, Virtual Growth Marketing Specialist, Philippine Time Zone, Recruitment and Social Media Manager, Social Media Visionary. Well, pwede nating applyan itong Recruitment and Social Media Manager. Bakit ito yung applyan natin? Mainly because ito yung mga skills na kaya mong gawin on the spot. Ayan, kapag nag-load na siya, kailangan nating basahin. We're a mission-driven home care agency committed to helping older adults age with dignity and independence. We're looking for a creative and organized recruitment coordinator and social media manager. So, dalawa yung roles na gagawin nyo to strengthen our online presence and support our growing care team. Next, ito daw yung gagawin under recruitment and boarding. Call and screen, okay. Assign employment documents, okay. Social media and content creation, okay. What we're looking for, both creative and professional, strong organizational and time management abilities. Okay. Why join us? Mission-led and compassionate team. Your work will directly impact the lives of families and older adults in our community. The starting salary for this role is $5 per hour for 40 hours per week. So, magkano siya? So, on a weekly basis, $200 yung pwede mong kitain. Magkano yung $200? That's around 10,000 on a weekly basis. So, multiply mo by 4, you get 40,000 at least per month when you get this job. So, ano yung una natin gagawin? Yung una natin gagawin ay gawin ang proposal. So, here, kailangan natin palitan to. You can actually download this sample template on the links below. Recruitment and social media management. Ayan. For home care. Home care industry. Tapos contact name. Ilalagay natin kung ano yung contact name niya. So, scroll down lang kayo. Tapos dito makikita nyo na ang contact person ay si Akanksha Bist. Okay. Akanksha Bist. Tama ba? Tama. Next, sa page 2, ilalagay natin dito ang game plan. Ang game plan, ito yung mga gagawin natin for them. So here, dahil part yung recruitment, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga requirements nila. Call and screen new caregiver applicants, assign employment documents, schedule and coordinate in-person interview and new hire orientation, track applicant progress, complete background. Okay. So, sa first, pwede natin ilagay recruitment process or recruitment. Tapos, ang task number 2, tignan natin kung anong pwede natin malagay. Social media and content creation. So, task number 2, pwedeng ilagay natin research research content. Create a content plan. Make creatives. Tapos, schedule posts. Ayan. So, meron na tayong mga nakalagay dito. So, ang main role natin ay recruitment. Once na matapos na tayo sa recruitment activities, mag-proceed na tayo sa social media and content creation activities, okay? So, next, ano yung action items natin based on the plan? So, dito, pwede tayong gumamit ng ChatGPT para lang para lang maging proper yung ilalagay natin action items. So, create an action item list based on this job proposal. Recruitment. Sige, copy-paste lang natin. Recruitment. Next, we have research content. Create content plan. Make creatives. Lastly, schedule post. Ayan. Tapos kapag sumagot na si ChatGPT, yung mga kukunin lang dito na sagot ay yung mga things na kaya mong gawin talaga for them, alright? So, yun yung pinakatandaan nyo. Kaya nyo bang gawin tong job na to or hindi? Kung di nyo kayang gawin, huwag nyong ilalagay. So, identify roles needed for team, create. Ayan. So, dalawa yung copy natin under recruitment. Next, under research content, pwedeng yung first two din. So, lagay na natin first two. Next, creating a content plan. Okay. Develop a monthly content calendar. Okay. Pwede yun. Next, make creatives. Kahit yung first two na lang ulit yung ilagay natin. And lastly, schedule post. First two. Ayan. So, meron na tayong action items based on the plan. Ngayon, ano yung other details na ibibigay natin? So, here, kailangan ma-include mo yung timeline, yung rate, pati yung coverage. So, ano yung timeline? Pwede natin ilagay 1 week for content planning. 1 week for content creation. Tapos, pwedeng recruitment is ongoing. Or recruitment is being done during these 2 weeks. Recruitment process. Ayan. Tapos magkano yung rate? So kanina, kung babalikan natin dito, sabi nila ang rate daw ay $5 per hour. So, pwede kayong mag-send ng $5 per hour, maglagay ng 5 hours per dollar na rate dito, o di naman kaya pwede mong taasan ng konti to $6, $7, or $8. Most of the time, meron silang wiggle room para pwede ka talaga makipag-negotiate ng itong salary. After nun, sa last part, how I can help recruit more employees using a solid recruitment strategy, run effective social media campaigns, create a full content marketing plan, and let me know if you want to discuss the plan over a quick Zoom call. So dito palagi nakalagay na let me know if you want to discuss over a quick Zoom call. Why? Kasi in the world of freelancing, para ma-close mo yung isang client, most of the time, kailangan ng Zoom call. Kailangan yung mag-meet via Zoom. Alright? Anong gagawin niyo doon? Inside, doon na nyo na i-discuss yung project, doon ka na din i-interviewin ni client kung kaya mo ba talagang gawin yung job na required nila or hindi. So, yun yung main reason kung bakit nilalagay natin to. After nyan, gumawa tayo ng cover letter. So, i-click na natin dito yung apply for this job. Tapos, gagawa lang tayo ng cover letter. So, ayan. Sulat natin dito. Cover letter. Hi, Akanksha. Kasi Akanksha yung name ng... Ayan. Akanksha. Kasi Akanksha yung name niya. I made a quick proposal for you. Or let's start with I'm Pao from the Philippines. I'm Pao, a social media manager from the Philippines. And I help brands get more following and engagement in their social media accounts through effective campaigns. I made a quick proposal for you. Let me know if you want me to implement it in your business. Tapos i-copy na natin to. So click share. Once na maklik natin yung share, palitan natin to anyone with the link. Copy link. Tapos i-paste na natin siya dito sa baba. Regards, Pao. Tapos ito yung ilalagay natin dito. So subject, pwede natin ilagay recruitment and social media manager. Message, i-copy-paste lang natin to. Copy. Paste. Apply points, kahit number 3 lang, 3 points lang. Tapos send email. So for this example, hindi ko na isa-send yung email as always. Why? Para kayo yung mag-send ng template na to. Okay? So once na magawa mo na to, all you have to do is to wait for them to reach out to you again. Kasi once na mag-reach out sila, meaning magpapaschedule na sila ng Zoom call with you. So kung nagawa mo na yung lahat ng to, well, congratulations. Kasi you're one step closer to getting that job. And I suggest na aside from this, you also try to apply to other job posts under social media management para more chances of winning. So, see you on the next episode.